How's everyone doing today? Street Genius here. And you guys know that I'm really an advocate of Flutter. In fact, I use Flutter to develop my app Loop, which people have been using all around the world to protect their communities from crime and violence. Today, I'm going to give you guys 5 reasons to learn Flutter in the year 2021. Stay tuned. Now that we're back, here is 5 reasons, the top 5 reasons to learn Flutter in the year 2021. I know a lot of you guys are asking, should I learn Flutter in the year 2021? Is it too late for me? Am I late to the party? Well, the answer is no. Well, the answer is yes, but it's also no. You're not late to the party, but it is not too late for you to learn Flutter. So it's yes and no. You're not late to the party, but it's also not too late to learn Flutter. So what I did in this list, you guys, was I created top 5 reasons to learn Flutter. I compiled the list, and I think you guys, when you get to the end of this list, I got a surprise for you at the end, a little giveaway. So one of the first and number 1 reasons to learn Flutter is that Flutter is easy to start. It's easy to learn and it's easy to use. Even someone that's new to programming can open up the Flutter SDK and really get started right out the bat. Flutter uses widgets, which makes the programming process easy. It's bundled into UIs, which you can use as building blocks for your app to make the process as streamlined as possible.
Number 2.
One of the key reasons that draws people to Flutter is the fast development time. Thanks to Flutter, you can change your code and see results almost in real time. And there's other frameworks out there, but a lot of them haven't caught up with Flutter as far as development and deployment time.
Number 3.
One of the really useful things that you guys are really going to like about learning Flutter is the documentation. Trust me, you guys. The documentation on Flutter is next to none. So let me repeat this. It says Google continuously invests in improving Flutter and Dart. They recently released the future programming module, right? Which is stated that it's going to use Dart as one of the primary languages to build apps in future OS. So what does this mean for Flutter? I'll tell you what this means if this happens. Future is going to be on all Android phones. And basically, Future is going to be built in Flutter, which means the future of Android is Flutter, you guys. Next, a great community. When it comes down communities, right? Now, I've been in the programming world doing a lot of things, and I remember when I first started, I was in a C++ community, and I was doing like Arduino robots and things like that. And you know something, but I feel as if like the Flutter community is different than a lot of communities. It's so open, it's free, and it's welcoming. And I remember when I started really messing around with Flutter and I started putting up my projects, people would just reach out to me like, hey, I want to help you with this, like random people. So the Flutter community is great, and guess what, you guys? Even I'm in there, you know? So you guys can count on me to be there. So let's go to the next one. The last of the top 5 reasons to learn Flutter in the year 2021 is the high demand. Listen, you guys, the demand for Flutter developers is literally increasing day by day. So basically, if you get in now, you can get started in a career that has an outlook that's almost endless. So I want you guys to know that right now on Amazon, if you want to learn how to code and Flutter like a genius, you can go get the book, Flutter for Beginners, a genius guide to Flutter app development written by Edward Thornton. We take you through Flutter and how to use it step by step. So download the book. You can get it on Amazon. The link is below. And you can get started on learning how to code Flutter today.